Prophet says, oh, it's another new day to start going there. So, if you are joining us for the first time, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, give us a follow. So, now let's go straight to the point. When you are buying, you can buy using a sell limit, and where you are selling, you can sell using a sell limit. When you are buying, you buy with a buy limit. When you sell with a sell limit. So today we talk about market orders. We have, according to the video you've watched, the cartoon display, that's like an analogy of a sell limit and a buy limit. So when you are buying, when you are buying at instant market price, that means that according to the instant market price video, you are buying at that instant point of the market. So you are buying at the instant point of the market. Let's say you go to a grocery shop, right? And you say, oh, you ordered for some things. Let's say you ordered 5 apples. Just stick with me with this. You ordered 5 apples, you ordered 3 bananas, and you go to the counter and they tell you, oh, this is the price of everything. Everything is what? $100. And you have the cash, you pay instantly. You pay at that point in time. You are using an instant market order. You buying at that instant point in time. So okay, you buying at that point, you take it, you're out. So that is instant market order in Forex. Now, that's just an analogy I used to explain this instant market order. So now let's go to, if you don't understand, ask me questions on the comment section. So now let's go over to buy limit and sell limit. When we're using the buy limit, for instance, you are buying hoping that the price is going to come down. It could come down to some certain level, then it will trigger your buy limit order that you placed there. Then it will start going up. Or for sell limit, you place your sell limit above price, as price already going up, thinking that, oh, from your analysis, price is going to go to that extent up, hit your sell limit order, start going down. So that is a buy limit and sell limit. So now let's see how we can use it on the chart. When you are using the buy limit, you often use this timer here. Remember the timer I taught you about in part 2 of how to use MetaTrader 5. So let's see, this is the timer here. You click on. So once you use the timer, okay, so talking about stop orders, buy stop or sell stop orders, you are talking about you buying on the movie train where the market have already started moving, or when